So I started off the day with a grande iced Americano with 3 pumps of skinny mocha. And then I got my eggs. I decided to scramble up 2 eggs and 1 egg white. Usually I do 2 egg whites and 1 egg, but today it didn't work out that way. But anyways, I then added some pepper and some bacon bits, but only a little bit. You can see right here, it's like just a dash of it. And then I was toasting my bread, and I've been craving strawberry jelly lately. If you guys have a really good recipe for strawberry jam jelly or anything like that, then please comment below. I would very much appreciate that. So for a snack, I had a plum, juicy plum. Oh my gosh, my shirt, how embarrassing. Why did I decide to just show you guys my face right now? So this is my cleaning attire. I am home right now cleaning, and I'm also working on a blog post, which you guys should check out because it's gonna be so cute. It's gonna have Halloween treats, like little ideas. But I can't really, like, I kind of want to change and redo this, but then, it's okay. So for lunch, I have a lot to do, especially my blogging. I've got like so many, I've got little recipes and treats I've got to make, and then I've got him running around, so I'm gonna do my best. So usually I go for like smart ones, lean cuisines, whenever I'm like in a rush, but I am so glad that I have leftovers of this. It doesn't look appetizing right now, but it's the spaghetti bake that I showed you with the cream cheese in it. It's on my previous video, so if you're curious of how this is made, it's in the previous video, and I'll link it down below as well. I originally found this recipe off Pinterest. I've seen it a couple times, so I don't know who the actual creator of it is, but it is so good. Family loves it. My husband takes some to work, and this is actually the 2nd time this week that we've made this. So I'm gonna have myself some spaghetti back here, and that's going to fill me up, and that is going to be my lunch because I know I probably won't have time for a snack today. But yeah, let me stop embarrassing myself now. And what?
There you have ice ball.
That's cookie icing.
Cookie icing, that's ice ball candy on that crackers.
Here's some of it, you guys, if you're interested. I had time for a banana when I went to pick up my daughter from school. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I do my seasoned baked potatoes. The kids love it, the husband loves it, and I love it. It's super easy. Sometimes I just eat it by itself, just a potato with a side salad, and I'm good, or it could even be a side. So I already cleaned my potatoes very well because potatoes are dirty. And now what I'm gonna do is get a piece of foil, put it right here for one of the potatoes. I just have my, I think Target brand foil. Chapstick baked potato. I'm going to poke holes. You don't have to poke holes, but I like it because I feel like the seasoning and stuff kind of finds its way inside of the holes and seasons it very well, but hey, that's just me. And I'm probably doing this like in the most difficult way ever, but hey, this is just how I do it. So I poke holes, then I'm gonna get this little cute brush. I think I got this from Tarte. They gave me like this little apron thing that had like, I don't know, just barbecue stuff and makeup, random, right? But now I'm gonna put some of my extra light tasting olive oil. And this is also by Market Pantry, Target. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. It's my son Jax. Okay, so I'm going to gently, I always get the cap, gently put some of this on, not too much. And drizzle, drizzle, and brush. I might have put a little too much on this one. I would use a little less than this cap for the next one, but it's okay. That on, then just all around. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of salt. This is sea salt. And I like to do both sides. And then Last is this Weber Veggie Grill Seasoning. This is a life changer for veggies. I love it on the potatoes. It tastes so good. So I just pour this everywhere. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. You don't even understand how good it smells. Okay, that's it. Wrap it up. And then I stick this in the crock pot, and then when it's time, I just put it on high for 3 hours. That's it, 3 to 4 hours, but usually 3 hours mine are ready. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little potato tutorial, but I'm gonna be finishing this up now, and yeah. Now it's time for dinner, and this is a protein style cheeseburger, and it's actually a spicy one. It's a jalapeno patty, and you can make this yourself, season it yourself. Our grocery store already has it, just like what you just saw. And yeah, I just cook it on the cast iron, and then I get my toppings out. And there's my lettuce I rinsed because no bun, obviously, protein style. And then I just put my fat-free cheese on the meat as it's cooking, and then I got this chunky artichoke and jalapeno dip to actually put on the patty. So delicious. And then spread mustard and pickles and topped it off with the other piece of lettuce. And there you go. It doesn't look like much, but I was so full I didn't even have room for my potatoes, you guys. And the potatoes were good the next day. And my daughter ate too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.